Well, as a swimmer, I guess goals reignite my swimming mojo. They give me something to aim for, give me some focus and motivation. So if I've got a specific goal that I'm training for, it will prolong my effort in terms of what I want to achieve and really make me focus on what I want to achieve and the training session itself. As a coach, goals are really important to understand what the swimmers want to achieve. The training plan and the training sessions need to be designed around what the swimmers are aiming to achieve, and so the training plans will be modified to help those swimmers reach their goals and also their intermediate milestones. The goal itself was to achieve complete the event at the Nationals. So it was to complete the 400 IM at the Nationals. So it was clearly a specific goal. It was either achieve it or not. And leading up to that goal was split into intermediate milestones. For example, swimming 100 IM, 200 IM, 400 IM with fins, doing 50 fly, 75 fly, and then 100 fly without fins, putting it all together. And there was also the aim of achieving the 400 IM a month before Nationals, so that the swimmer knew they could do it and then was able to work on specific skills and parts of that swim to improve her time. Yes, the target was a stretch, but it was also achievable as well. So it was realistic and it was relevant for what they wanted to achieve. It was something that they had talked about in the past, but they hadn't actually focused on achieving it. So it was something that meant something for them. So we had the opportunity with the Nationals coming up that they could aim for. It was a big goal and a big event, but it also was something that they knew inside that they could actually achieve, but with a bit of effort, it was enough to stretch them to make them improve their swimming and aim for something that was rewarding for them when they achieved it. Some of the challenges included an injury that happened early on in the training plan, so we had to modify that so that some of the training sessions were slightly modified to enable her to continue to train. And also she did get sick at one point, so we had to skip a couple of training sessions there and then pick them up later on. Motivation was very important for this swimmer because she kind of lost a little bit of focus with the challenges and lost a bit of confidence in herself. So as a coach, it was really important for me to help her understand that in terms of her ability, that hadn't been impacted. It was just a bit of a hiccup along the way.